Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back again with another product review, and the product of the day is this little mic here, which I'm holding right now. So, I never thought a mic could make this much of a difference until I used it. And this tiny piece here, trust me guys, it totally surprised me.
Oh shit, not good.
Okay, so this mic has clear indicator lights, which tells me if it's working or not. I don't have to do any kind of guesswork. Let me show it to you. So you see this green light, it indicates that it's working. And if I double tap it, okay, if I double tap it, and after double tapping it again, it unmutes the audio. It comes with two replaceable heads. Okay, let me show the whole product to you guys. Okay, so this is what I got. This is the mic. This is the package. This is the mic one I'm holding in my hand, and this is how the packaging looks. The user manual, one extra piece mic, two heads, and there are two foam heads as well. Foam heads as well. Let me show it to you, people. One minute. See, foam heads. This one. Two foam heads, two mic, and two this. There are two pieces of this furry heads. Not sure what it's called.
Emotional, damn it!
Okay, and the favorite part
Oh
of
shit, not good.
this mic. Okay, the and my favorite part about this mic is. Okay, and here is the favorite part.
2,000 years later.
And here is my favorite part about this mic, which is three levels of noise reduction. It doesn't matter if I'm indoors, if I'm outdoors, or at a very noisy place. I just adjust it and it cuts all the background noises and it just captures what it has to capture. Okay, this mic has hi-fi sound quality, which means it picks the slightest, the slowest of sound, softest of sound very clearly. Like if I am, like as I'm whispering right now, you guys can clearly hear me. If I can try, I can also start doing ASMR like, "Hi guys, welcome to my ASMR channel. Today we are going to do." Also, there is a reverberation mode in the mic which makes your sound very rich and clear like a mini studio. It's not like I have been using it for a very long time. I just got it few days back and I have tried shooting a few videos using this, and I can totally see the difference. The sound clarity and the effectiveness, the crispness in the voice, it's very evident and I am loving it. So this is how I sound without the mic. I don't have the mic connected to my phone right now. I have it in my hand, and let me show you guys what what is the difference that this mic makes. Let me show it to you. Okay, so I have the mic connected now and you guys can clearly hear the I mean clearly spot the difference which has been made after I have plugged the mic on. The clarity in the voice and the background noise reduction, it's amazing as per the price. ओके तो मैं अभी अपने रूम के बाहर हूँ. अभी अच्छी खासी हवा चल रही है, मध्यम मध्यम पत्ते हिल रहे हैं पेड़ के. पीछे से ऐसे झिंगुर की चिंग 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 आवाज़ आ रही है, चिड़िया बोल रही है, उधर से बाहर से बच्चों की भी आवाज़ आ रही है. और दिस इज़ हाउ आई साउंड विदाउट द माइक. लेट मी शो इट टू यू हाउ आई साउंड विद द माइक ऑन. So I have the mic on, and I think it will cancel all the noise. Let me know in the comments if you guys like the review. Please don't forget to subscribe for more such reviews. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. That's it for today. I'll see you very soon in the next video. Do let me know. If you have any comments what kind of videos you would like to see more on the channel, and please subscribe to my channel so that I can get the motivation to make more such videos. Please do like, share and subscribe, and let me know in the comment box how I can improve more. Have a nice day. Thank you. Also, don't forget, life is beautiful, so are you. Bye bye, sayonara. See you soon.